One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about Android Auto finally getting Uber.
I will never use it. This was in my app. I will never. My Android screen is so laggy, bro. It's not even working with the car's own software, let alone Uber. Imagine me pounding this thing for a trip radar that I know is going to get rejected, and I'm going to get an exclusive for less anyway. So I'm like, fuck this shit. I have enough trouble pounding my phone.
I have CarPlay.
I will not use it.
I have CarPlay, and it's like it's stupid. I mean, it's okay. Like I don't have a problem. But the thing is, I don't do Uber through my phone anymore. I use my iPad. So,
do we have any merch, Chris?
Huh?
Do we have any merch?
If you'd like, I can. I don't know. I can sell you something.
I think there's a Rideshare guy merch. If you're asking about the merch I'm wearing, that's my merch. But you can go to the website. I'm pretty sure RSG has some merch.
Yes. But either way, when it comes down to it, do you want to use this? If you have Android, are you going to use this for your car's display if you have it? If you have an iPhone, would you or are you using CarPlay? Let us know in the comments. I'm interested to see how who's using it, if you're using it or not. Okay, we got somebody. DeVoe's using it. What do you think about it? Do you like it?
I think it's.
I mean, if you're using it, obviously you must like it. I mean, it's good for the fact that it will show the information on the car infotainment screen, which is nice because you know, at least at that point, then your passenger can feel a little bit more safer. And it has all that information there. But like I say, I have an iPad Pro and it's 12-inch screen, so it's even bigger than my car's infotainment screen.
It should.
I'm using both apps at the same time, so I got Uber on the one side and Lyft on the other.
Oh, okay. Well, but I haven't used it. I mean, it's just started. This just showed up on Android like a couple days ago in my app too. So I'm not going to use it. I have two phones. I just look at two phones. I'm so used to it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm good. No thanks.
Yeah, I mean, I understand why they're doing it because the integration, but like still, it's very, very limited on what you can and can't do. So there's a lot of things that you still need to use your phone for in order to be able to function the app. So
not on Android, sir. Android just started. CarPlay, yeah. Apple, yeah. Not Android. Android just this is breaking news.
There's not much work. Literally, I just plop it in. There it is, and you know, I just pull up the apps, and there you go.
Two phones, yeah. Two phones are the best. Two phones is the best. Yeah. I don't know. Will it does it show the surge? Is it more laggy, or I don't know. Look, man, not that there's surge actually. Anyway,
no, it's pretty. It's at least on CarPlay, it's pretty. It's very accurate. I don't know. You know, when it comes to Android and you know the necessary operating systems there. Because there are many different flavors of Android, but when it comes to CarPlay and iOS, it's very, very seamless.
Maybe if you have a Tesla with a big screen, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, when you get the big screen, that's nice.
Yeah,
for sure. But like I say, I just use the iPad. It's got the big screen there.
Yeah, two phones is the way to go for sure. Yeah. Anyway, so we thought we mentioned that for you guys.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.